Hello everyone, this is Puzzled Puzzler. I'm Steve, this is Julian, and today we're going to talk about a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle from the dollar store that we did. Another one of our dollar store puzzles. It was interesting to say the least. Yeah, we're going to go over it. We're going to talk about what worked on it, what didn't. Let's do it. Okay, so let's talk about this jigsaw puzzle. The Wolf and Woman, 1,000 pieces. It was 14 by 22 pieces, so the sizes were comparatively small, as you saw. It was really a really nice picture, I thought. Pretty picture. The only thing was, as you saw in the video, there were 33 duplicates. 16 of them were border pieces. So right away off the bat, you know, the first thing we do, like a lot of people do, is put the border together first. So what ended up happening was it took a lot longer because you're trying to match pieces that don't necessarily fit anywhere. Then we, essentially in the upper left corner, we started making our own border, a duplicate border. So, and then there was other duplicates as well. 16 of them were border pieces, so that was, I've never seen that. One piece was missing. I'm not sure if that was due to there not being the piece in the box, which is a good chance given there are so many duplicates. but maybe it was just one of those sticky pieces stuck to the elbow and got lost somewhere. We ended up taking this puzzle back and forth from the kitchen to the living room several times, so maybe it got lost in that transition. But overall, once we got it going, once we got in the puzzle groove, it was still a challenging and fun puzzle. Another thing that I would like to say, though, a lot of the pieces weren't cut very well. Some of the pieces weren't cut apart at all, so two of them would be joined together, and they weren't even. You would have to finish it yourself, kind of thing. There was not even a groove started. There was a couple pieces that were the artwork. The very top paper was coming off of the rest of the layers. Had to glue some of those back together. A lot of the papers were stuck within the little grooves in between the pieces. We had to take several of those out. I had little cardboard dots, little paper dots everywhere from peeling those off. You know, this one was just maybe one where it depends on the person whether you're gonna like this puzzle. If you have a thing for quality and you know, you don't want none of that BS, then this puzzle probably isn't for you. If you're a person that maybe you know, likes to take challenges with whatever you're given, this did have its own unique challenges. You know, it took us quite a while to get it done based on just some of the issues we had. As a dollar store puzzle, again, you can't beat it for $1. Someone said, you know what, for those missing pieces, you know, you could just go back to the dollar store and get another puzzle and probably find those pieces. And you know, that's probably true. You know, it's not the best puzzle, but I thought the artwork was pretty. I still had a good time. Like I said, once I got into the groove of doing this puzzle, it got to be a lot of fun still. Even with some of the pieces maybe didn't fit as good as they could. So yeah, and Julian tried to help as much as he possibly could. That's it for this one. Our Woman and Wolf, probably said it wrong earlier, Woman and Wolf 1,000 piece. I did like the 300 and 500 piece so far. I have another 1,000 piece that I'm going to do on another video, and we'll see if that one was better than this. But so far, these have all been dollar puzzles that I've gotten from the dollar store. Specifically, I got it from one here by our house called Dollar Tree, and these are Cardinal, if you can see, Cardinal brand. So these are $1 at the dollar store, but I've seen them online for much more. So just watch out for that, and I'll put a link, and you can go see a different price somewhere else maybe. And so beware. Sometimes you can get these a lot cheaper at the dollar store. All right, stay tuned until next time. This is Steve and Julian signing off with Puzzled Puzzler, and we'll see you next time. Quite a while to get it done, based on even with some of the pieces maybe didn't fit as good as they could. So yeah, and Julian tried to help as much as he possibly, to say the least. Yeah, we're gonna go over it. We're gonna talk about